my name's Ed Baxter, I'm the SEO manager here at Ignition Search. In today's video we're going to be looking at Google Merchant Center and how we can track in Google Analytics. If you haven't heard of Merchant Center, it was formerly called Google Base, and what it allows you to do is upload your products to Google and have them listed in the SERPs, and you can tie it in with AdWords, and generally it's a great system for getting some more traffic, sometimes skipping ahead in the rankings, and generally just getting your products more exposed on the web and better sales. So if we have a look at an example, we can see I have Google Sofa, and we can see the shopping results, which is data being driven by Merchant Center. So we can see various sofas, sometimes with the ratings, with the prices, which store they come from. And if you've got it tied in with your AdWords, you can combine these into special adverts, sometimes get a better click-through rate, more sales. So it's a great system, and it's very simple to, one, add to it, and two, track it. So we come up here to one of our websites, we can see that this website sells clocks. It's got a very simple XML file which is uploaded and updated every time someone loads a page. So what happens is Google will scan this page, and every week or day or month they will then say, we'll take all these products, we'll upload them, and we'll update the listings. So it basically is just a simple loop. Obviously it looks like a lot of information now, but we've got very simply broken down to title, the link, the description, you know, the price, the brand, and so on and so on. So what we can do is we can upload all our products in this manner, just tell Google what the URL is and say, you know, take this every week or month, and they'll update it. So that's uploading your products, and it's very simple and easy to track this system. Currently, if you were to upload it just with a normal link, it would show just as Google organic traffic. You'd be none the wiser if it was coming from the normal listing, so for this example, this sofa website, or if it was coming from the actual shopping listing itself. So all you need to do is come to the end of the URL and add something unique to it. So I know anything that's been uploaded to Google Merchant Center is always going to have this ref equals GMC on the end. And that's all you need to do. Just need to add some sort of unique identifier. This one, we go with this ref equals GMC. It's nice and easy. We're just saying the reference is Google Merchant Center. And what we can do then is we can go into our analytics and create something called an advanced segment. So we'll do that now. So I'm in the website's analytics. If I click the advanced segment on the top of any page, I can see now that I've got my default segments that Google provides, and I've also got some custom ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new custom segment in the bottom right hand corner. And what I want to call this is Merchant Center, depending on which American or English spelling you want to go with. What I'm going to say is I want to include all the pages that contain this ref equals GMC. And then if I go to more options and say I can either share this with any of my profiles, if you're working with multiple websites it's probably handy. In this example I just want to do it with my e-commerce stores, so I'll just go with this one. Then if I click Save Segment, I can now see that on all my screens it's just pulling in that Merchant Center information. So I can see the various bounce rates, and then I can just start drilling down into all the various different sections. So I can see the keywords that are driving those traffic, if they're converting, if they've got e-commerce, any other goals, you know, engage visitors or contact forms. And it's pretty much as simple as that. Now you can just go straight ahead, change your feed, and this will be updated next time it crawls your Merchant Center feed. And you've got all that information. You can start making these informed decisions and seeing which channels are working the best for you. Obviously the more you can segment, the better understanding you get, and it's better all around for you. So that's been setting up Merchant Center. I recommend checking out our website. We've got a blog where we like to talk about these sort of issues. Obviously if you're having any issues yourself, feel free to get in touch and we'll see what we can do to help you. Thanks very much. I've been Ed Baxter from Ignition Search.